Supreme Court today issued a notice to the state government on the bail application moved by the suspended Meghalaya police officer G.K. Iangrai. The High Court of Meghalaya in December had rejected the bail application of suspended Meghalaya police officer G.K. Iangrai. Iangrai was arrested on November 2nd on the basis of an FIR lodged by one Darwin Sangma on October 28 before the CID for allegedly misappropriating funds sanctioned for the construction of the nationwide emergency response system building in Shillong.
Yes, today the bail application for Mr. G.K. Iangrai was filed before the Honorable Supreme Court and it was listed as item number 1. And the Honorable Supreme Court was pleased to issue notice and then fix a returnable date by 2 weeks. Earlier, his bail application was rejected twice by the special judge and also by the High Court of Meghalaya, so which has compelled us to file the bail application for the Honorable Supreme Court.